I'm going to style my hair using Vega Pro Volumiser hair dryer brush. So this is my hair before. Tell me in the comment how it is. And this is my hair after. I'm looking so happy. So let's open the packaging. This is warranty card. This is a user manual. And here is our final product. Before styling, always make sure to prep your hair by using a heat protectant spray. All the product link will be tagged on the video as well as in the description. Do check it out. I sectioned my hair so that I can get precise result. Now, setting my blow dryer to full, that is 3. So this is how it sounds all the time. But that is not a problem because when we go to parlor, even that sounds similar. I'm going very slow so that in 1 or 2 stroke hair is styled. Especially I'm focusing at the end. You have to spend little more time for the ends. Now you can see the result, straight on the upper side and little wavy at the end. Using this is very simple. Just follow the instruction properly and you will get salon style result. The wire rotates 360 which makes it easy to use. And finally on the front layers. Style this way and it creates bounce and gives volume. So this is the final result. I am super happy. Tell me your views in the comment. Guys, make sure to use a hair protectant to prevent any kind of heat damage like split ends and brittle hair. Check out description and pin comment for the links. Subscribe for more.